Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. This green pre-owned F-150 recently traded in here, only has 75,000 kilometers on it. A lot of nice features on here. You've got these chrome wheels. You do have a remote entry keypad on the door, and you've got rain guards up top. You do have a blind spot mirror there, and then you have power window controls, power mirror controls. Leather arm sill on the interior here, and then as well you have a nice leather interior on this 2018, which is not very common to see. You've got your heated seat controls just down there. You've got lumbar as well, and then you've got on the side of the steering wheel, you've got fog lights, truck bed lighting, headlights, and dash dimming, as well as electric parking brake. Jumping up into the F-150. You do have your nice dashboard here. Let's go ahead and turn it over. You have a smaller screen in here. You've got a digital speedometer, engine information, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressure, and that's on your display mode. Then you've got trip and fuel settings. You've got towing with the trailer status and trailer options. You've got off-road status, so you can see which way your wheels are turned, the direction of the truck, and you also have power distribution. And then other settings such as DTE calculation and advanced settings. On the steering wheel itself, you do have cruise control and your menu controls on the left, and on the right is your hands-free and media controls. Various drive modes in here too on the spindle here, such as normal, towing and hauling, snow and wet, eco, and sport mode. You do have your sync sound system here, your radio controls like so. You've got your radio, you've got settings in here you can go to, change the sound settings. You can go change the CD, media sources, go to Bluetooth stereo. So you can go to information, you can turn the radio text on and off, connect your phone through Bluetooth, you can even set up the clock. Then you have other settings in here which you can control on these buttons here. So you can view everything at once, which is really nice to see. You've got voice control, parking, valet mode, and you can even change the door keypad code. Moving down towards the climate center, you do have your fan speed, your directional areas, and you have AC. To the left of this, you do have 2 high, 4 low, trailer backup, and the trailer brake down here and connect. And then you have your 12-volt outlet over on the side, so you can charge up your devices here. Cool thing about this F-150 is it is the bench seat, so you've got a center console here with 2 cup holders, or you have a third leather seat. Just nice in the center there, so if you have another passenger, they're good to go. Let's go around towards the back of the F-150 now. You have your 4x4 badge right there with your rear taillight, chrome rear bumper as well with your trailer hitch installed. Backup camera is right above the Ford logo here. Taking a look at the truck bed, you do have the plastic drop-in bed liner. Very durable. As you can see, this one has been a little bit used, but it's still in tip-top shape. You can fit lots of stuff in here as well. Take this camping, construction site, just everyday usage. The F-150's got you covered. And if we dive into the back seat, you can see on the door sill in the back, you do have the same layout. You've got some cubbies here, cup holders, nice storage areas. And then you have your leather seating in the rear as well. This is 60-40 split, so this can fold up and down. You can fold the second set up as well, and you can store lots in here. You can pull this one forward, and that's where your spare tire jack is, which is really convenient. It's getting off in. You've got a nice pouch here, travel pouch for your rear passengers. They can put all their stuff there while you're driving. And then you have a 12-volt outlet down here with 2 cup holders, which is very convenient. It's very spacious back here. You have a lot of room, a lot of leg room, a lot of headroom. You even have a nice little dome light back here, and then you have these hooks up top as well. And then we'll take a look up towards the front of the F-150. You do have your halogen headlights, high beams, low beams, and fog lights with your chrome bumper, your 2 tow hooks there for the plow prep kit, and then so on and so forth. So all around a really nice pre-owned F-150, low mileage, and ready for its new owner. So make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to get your hands on this F-150. We thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.